In nursery class today we will read letter G G. This is uppercase G G and this is lowercase G G. G G, grapes. Grapes are very tasty. G G, goat. G G, gate. G G, guava. Guava is also a very tasty fruit. It is full of energy. We should eat it. G G, gloves. Do you wear gloves in the winter? Let's listen to the story of letter G G. There lived a good girl. Good girl. She is kind to everybody. One day she goes to an orchard to pick grapes and guavas. Grapes, guavas. She is wearing gloves to protect her hands. What does she wear? She is wearing gloves, gloves. She is picking guavas. A goat comes grazing there. What is she picking? She is picking guavas, guavas. What does come there? There comes a goat, goat, grazing. There is a plenty of grass there, grass, but no water. The goat is thirsty. Goat. Who is thirsty? The goat is thirsty. The girl goes inside and brings it water. Goes. The goat drinks water and goes away. Goat. The girl is very happy that she was kind to an animal. We have learned a moral lesson from this story that we should be kind to animals. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.